All right, everyone. Thank you for joining. Today I wanted to take a look at Ben USDT on the MEXC chart. So, looking at this, you can clearly see Ben coin had one heck of a rally and one heck of a sell-off, right? So we sold off, and where are we now? We are basically hanging out right above support. So this was major resistance, finally broke through, went on a rally, came back down, tested it twice for a double bottom. The next question is, will we break out of this pattern, this triangle, retest, and continue moving higher? Or will we just break down and test these levels down here, which is pretty much where support is, right? So go ahead, draw a line. Right here is the next major support. And if this level does fail, you're talking about another 50% drop from here, right? So Ben coin right now, I believe, is trading at 40 million. Total market cap around 44 million. Do I think it's actually going to drop another 50%? I don't know. Could it? Yes, it definitely could. I can't really see this coin going back to only a $20 million market cap with the purchase by BitBoy going through successfully and the said top influencers and names behind this project. I think it is something just to keep an eye on. You know, there is a lot of hype. There's a lot of hype behind this project. And to be honest, right now is probably one of the better opportunities to buy back in, because from the highs, I believe it did drop around 64%. Yeah, 65, 64%. And if you were to rejoin and you were patient, if it goes back up to the all-time high, it's almost a 200% gain, right? It's 176%. So I do think there is a lot of upside potential with this project. Where will I think it would stop if we do get a nice move up? Let's go ahead and draw some fibs. And as you can see, the 382 acts as resistance. So we can go ahead and map that out, right? Probably do something like that. But price doesn't just go up like that, right? Maybe I'll move up, touch it, come down, sweep the lows, play around with these levels, go up higher. More something like that. And since this is a dynamic support happening, I also wouldn't be surprised if it comes up, maybe tests it again, comes back up, soon failures the highs, maybe comes back down. But this is basically the range in which I am thinking Ben coin will be moving, right? But no one knows for sure. You know, it could just have a very strong parabolic move up, or it could fail these levels, come down, hang out around these levels for a little while. No one really knows, but what I like to do is buy at support, sell at resistance, and right now it is at support, right? So it doesn't look like a bad time to purchase, in my opinion. I am waiting a little bit, but I would be more comfortable getting in around here instead of waiting for it to break out and hopefully retest. But that is another, you know, another way to trade this too as well, right? If you want to be a breakout trader, you can enter on the breakout, scalp, get out at this level, right? Because that's basically where the next resistance is. Or you just wait until price comes back down, retest this area as support one more time before moving up, right? So that would be the best entry trigger. Or if you want to zoom in a little bit here, you wait till price comes down, enter back in this gray box, wait for that impulse out, right? So there's really not much else to analyze with this coin, but these are the levels that I am looking at, and I think it is something to keep an eye on. You know, the market cap is very low. We're still in the bear market, kind of coming out of it a little bit, at least for altcoins. Altcoins are at least still in a bear market, right? They had a nice rally, but they obviously sold off. So right now it's just a great time to continue to load your bags and stay patient. So that is it for Ben. Thank you for joining. Remember to like and subscribe. This is the longest I've been without a video. Try to be a little bit more consistent, but I am happy I'm out here charting for you, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever you'd like me to chart, put it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get that out within 24 hours.